How to find my phone model on Android device. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you're also looking on how to identify your Samsung phone model, in this video we are going to show you how to do it. So let's just get started with the video without any delay. So for that, you can directly open up your Samsung phone and head over to the main settings of the device. Once you're here, you'll be finding this interface on the screen. So what you need to do is simply scroll down and you will be finding About Phone section at the very last. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be finding your model name and your model number right here below your About Phone section. So if you want to look up for your software information, your software details, you can go to software information and you can find out your Android version as well. So that is it. That is how you find out your phone model of your Samsung phone as well, by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and I will see you on the next one.